Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's your host Anisha, and we have another Sean Paul, which is another dance tune. You don't know, no see it in the description and the title already. Gimme the Light, Sean Paul. Who remember where they when the song you drop? Comment down below. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Oh, and I would like to say welcome to my subscribers, welcome to my new subscribers. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos and liking the vibe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You see it. Give me suggestions of music videos that you'd like me to do a video on, and all them things there. See. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play.
Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow.
Yo, before me go no further in another video, yeah. You remember when this a song I did drop? Every girl a broke out in the dance. Everybody a do the exact choreography in the video them. Everybody a try to be in a Sean Paul video. Yo, mad thing. Play a tune.
I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around them wants on your inspector.
What me tell you?
But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them for a drill, now them fuel injector. And them a infector, disease collector. Now for them a go like them want come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guy they affect you, yo girl. Just give me the light.
I try remember if I that song here, if this was the song that made Sean Paul international. Me not quite 100, but me feel say that song here when he went drop, that song here when make Sean Paul stamp him name on the map internationally. You see what I say? You wanna make me know in the comment section. You see it?
And pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Come in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation getting really live again. Tell them what be young out with the players and the riders them beside of them. And them say them tired that the liars them. Fires and connivers them when never get inside of them. The kind of them, especially them.
You know what that video remind me of? You remember the elephant man pan the river pan the bank video? He give me that vibe. Them not telling lie. The video quality, the dance scene, the girls. He just give me the whole scene there, the whole vibe there.
Watch you, girl, but them a try to make a brother them deny again. Some of them a move like a Spider-Man. Girl, them say them not home wide again. Yo, just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Girl, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Girl, them looking hype and I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're buff in every sector. Every man around want on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But
pause. Yo, me not tell no lie, no. Sean Paul has aged like wine. Like, dude, me I look on the video and me I look on Sean Paul now and me I say, Sean Paul, this look like Sean Paul now, but a mature looking Sean Paul we put on weight. The man don't age, dog. Seriously.
them power chill now, them fuel injector. And them a infector, disease collector. Now for them a go on like them want come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you nah make them guy they come affect ya. Yo, just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sights and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I got the vibes and I got my dough.
And for all of uno pick up on it yet, me love dance song. Anything we have to do with dance, I made that. Play.
What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation getting really live again. Tell them off the hang out with the players and the riders them beside of them. And them say them tired that the liars them. Fires and connivers them we never get inside of them. The kind of them, especially the money out of them. Watch you, girl, but them a try to make a brother them denied again. Some of them a move like a Spider-Man. Tell them say them now.
Why? If me follow them sitting here, you know, me just make the song play and me no pausing on at all, you know. Me say, yo, the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm, 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 the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm, 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 yo. play it you.
Open wide again, yo. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sight and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got the dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know.
Wash and Paul see a cat in the dance. Hey.
Yo, well, just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sight and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more?
Pause. You have to have a party scene in the video them when people are bust moves. What you mean? Straight.
Yeah, them looking up and I got to know.
Yo, nostalgia much? Yo, I had fun. Yo, just listening and watching the video, man, just bring back so many memories. So if you like the things, you like the vibe, you don't know what to do already, me not have to tell you now. So me see you in the next video again. It's your girl Anisha and I am out.